Hello everyone, this is Padlan.
Hello, my name is Aziz.
Hello, I'm Amni. Hi everyone, Akila here.
And I'm Mika, and we are from L1A.
Okay, what is geometry? Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies shape, size, positions, use point, line, planes, and figures to describe objects and solve spatial problems. Geometry is also essential in architecture, engineering, design, physics, and art, helping us understand and shape the world around us.
Question 1A. Figure 1 shows a tree falling over during a storm. Determine the actual height in feet before it being damaged. So based on the figure 1, we can see the triangle shape. The adjacent is 50 feet, the opposite is 8 feet. We can find the hypotenuse AC using Pythagoras theorem. Square root 15 square plus 8 square. We get 17 feet. But we need to find the actual height. So we need to plus with length CB and CA. We can get 8 plus 17 equal to 25 feet.
Okay, I'm gonna do the calculation about St. Thomas Garden. Okay, from what we know is that the perimeter of this garden is 100 meter and the length is 2 times the width. So, firstly we must declare, then we turn out the equation. So the equation is y equals to x because the length is 2 times the width. Okay, then the perimeter is 2x plus 2y, so 100 meter. So we can substitute this perimeter 2x 2y. Y we can substitute and replace it with 2x. Then we do calculation and got x equal to 30. Then we just substitute into the other equation. So y equal 2 times 30. Then we got y equal to 2. Then at last we must declare which is the width and the length. So just like we say, the length of the garden is 2 times the width. So the width is equal to 30 meters and the length is y equals 6 meters.
Okay, untuk soalan 1C, Rajah menunjukkan tentang sebuah kotak JNT dan kita diminta untuk mencari luas permukaan kotak tersebut. Dia bagi adalah 300mm untuk panjang, lebar dia 250mm dan dia tinggi adalah 200mm. Jadi kita akan tukar dulu semua ni dalam sentimeter dan kita akan dapat panjangnya adalah 30cm, lebar 25cm dan tingginya adalah 20cm. Sebab kita tukar, kita akan masukkan ke dalam formula ini untuk mencari luas permukaan. Bila kita masukkan, kita akan dapat jawapannya adalah 3,700 cm persegi.
For question 1D, we have given a thermos. The thermos cap is 7.6 cm and the whole thermos height is 32.5 cm. First, we need to find the radius. We have given the diameter, we just need to divide by 2 and we get the radius, which is 6.05 cm. For the first question, they ask for volume with the thermos cap. The volume formula is pi r square h, which is the cylinder formula, and we need to substitute the value with the value of r, which is 6.05 square, times the height with the cap, which is 32.5 cm, and we get 3,737.18 centimeter cube. However, for the second question, they ask for volume without the thermos cap. With the same formula, pi r square h, we just need to substitute the value, which is r is the same, 6.05 square, and the height, we use the height without the cap, which is 24.9 centimeter, and we get 2,863.255 centimeter cube.
Alright, so for question 1E, it shows the floor plan of an apartment that Mr. Akmal just bought. If you want to find the area of the hardwood floor, which excludes the bathroom area and the balcony area. So we were given the total area, which is 71 meters squared, the bathroom area, which is 4.5 meters squared, and the balcony area, which is 9.8 meters squared. If you want to find the area of the hardwood floor, you can just subtract the total area with the bathroom area plus the balcony area, which will get 56.7 meters squared. Alright, for the next question, it asks us to find the total cost of the hardwood floor installment if 1 meter squared is equal to 275 ringgit. So for this one, we can just multiply our area from before, which is 56.7, by the cost of per meter squared, and we'll get 15,592 ringgit and 50 cents.
Many buildings around the world are celebrated for their beauty and architectural importance. So today, our group will discuss building with geometrical shapes. Name of building is the Louvre Pyramid. Location of this building in Cour Napoleon, Musée du Louvre, Rue de Rivoli, 75001, Paris, France.
The Louvre Pyramid was designed by an American-Chinese architect, which namely Liu Mingpei, who also created famous works such as the Bank of China Tower in Hong Kong, 1919. Okay, the Louvre Pyramid was built in 1984 and the pyramid was completed on March 29, 1989 as part of the Grand Louvre, which is the modernization project. Okay, the building uses surface the main entrance to the Louvre Museum, leading visitors to the underground Hall Napoleon lobby.
Alright, so now we're going to go over why the pyramid was built. So one of the main reasons why the Louvre Pyramid was built is to modernize the museum. Previously, the museum struggled with overcrowding and outdated infrastructure. So to combat this, the pyramid introduces a spacious underground lobby to streamline visitor flow. Another reason why the pyramid was built is to improve circulation. Before this, the museum had multiple scattered entrances. So the new design creates a singular, iconic and memorable entry point. Moreover, visitors can easily access the three main wings of the museum, Sully, Cecilio and the North, and provide modern facilities such as ticket offices, shops and cloakroom.
Alright, the third reason of creation is as a symbol of transparency and light. The glass structure acts as a massive skylight, symbolize openness and allow light to flood the underground space. Last but not least is to blend of rural and urban. Architect Liu Mingpei aimed to harmonize contemporary architecture with the classical style of the Louvre Palace. He chose the pyramid design because placing the reception area underground allowed him to preserve the integrity and visibility of the Louvre Palace historic Renaissance style facade above ground. The pyramid's simple geometric shape was intended to harmonize with the former classical line of the Louvre Palace.
The Louvre Pyramid stands 21.6 meters tall with a square base measuring 34 meters for each side. Its slope angle is 51.52 degrees, similar to the Egyptian pyramid. The structure has 673 glass segments, including 603 rhombus and 70 triangular arranged across both sides. 3 of the sides has 18 triangular and 153 rhombus, while the other one side with the entrance has 160 pins, including 16 triangular and 144 rhombus. Weighing a total of 200 tons, it includes 95 tons of steel frame and 105 tons for the aluminum frame. The pyramid covers a total surface area of 2,000 square meters, including the area of the base, which is square, by a total of 1,000 square meters, and the triangular and a rhombus for the side, in total of 1,000 square meters. Last but not least, it encloses with a volume of 8,820 cubic meters.
The Louvre pyramids was built using extra clear laminated glass to eliminate the greenish tint of regular glass and preserve the view of the historic Louvre Palace. This special glass is also laminated for safety, so if it's break, the pieces stick to a plastic layer. The pyramid skeletal framework uses combination of metals made of stainless steel, aluminum, and steel wood. It's designed as a thin truss system to support the pyramid while keeping it visually unobtrusive, achieving the architect's goal of maximum transparency.